The city has spent tax dollars and staff time promoting the values of the 100-mile diet, yet turned down a request to allow citizens to keep chickens in their yards. Can you explain why Kamloops citizens can't keep chickens, but citizens of many other communities in BC, from much smaller to larger, can? We saved the easy ones for you, Peter.
Great. No, I mean, from my perspective, I certainly voted against that when it came forward, and I spoke very clearly in the last election that I would not support it either. So I think I've been very consistent in that decision making. For me, I think we've doubled the community gardens in a shorter time frame than we had shot to do as a council. We doubled that in a year and a half or 2 years instead of the 3 years with ICS. And so I think we are doing things to try to address that food security issue in the 100-mile diet. For me personally, I have concerns when generally speaking, every jurisdiction in North America puts in a bylaw like that, that was getting rid of the backyard chickens. It's because of the noise and impacts that were happening at the time in the communities. The chickens will create the same type of impact to my mind. That being said, we are a collective, and if 5 people on council had voted to put them in, they would have gone in, and quite frankly, I would have got on with my life. Because that's what happens. We vote as a group, and what the collective would like to do, the majority, that is the direction that we do take. My personal opinion was that, but if the group had had a different one, I would have held no will towards them.
Thank you, Peter.